Hello paper flower lovers. Today I will be showing you how to make gained roses without using a glue gun and simply using a layering technique. In this master class, you will find detailed tutorials for making each of these roses of size 30, 40 and 50 centimeters. For this masterclass, I have used Italian crepe paper of 60 GSM and Indian crepe paper. You can make these flowers using any crepe paper which is slightly stretchable. For making this 3 set flower, you need just one template. With the smaller petal, you can make a 30 centimeters rose. For 40 centimeters rose, you need second and third petal. A stunning mid-size treatment piece for events and wall backdrops. Then comes the showstopper. You will need all the 3 petals to make this massive 50 centimeters rose. If you see, the texture is different because I have used Indian crepe paper, and as you know, the technique is same. To give professional look, add some rosebuds and green leaves. You will find these tutorials at the end of this course. One template, 3 sizes. Let's begin.